Hush, useless tank. This player is better playing Candy Crush instead.
Relax, bro.
What was that? Are you okay, bro?
I am fine, but it seems like we just hit somebody.
Oh God, we are really sorry. Are you hurt?
Let us take you to the hospital first.
Sure, let's go.
Is Mr. Nasrul in a good condition, doctor?
Absolutely, everything's totally fine. No worries.
Yeah, great to hear that.
Bless God, that's only a minor injury. As you can see, Mrs. Daim only got wounds at his right elbow and also his forehead.
Thank you, doctor.
Not a problem. It's my duty though. You guys better be careful next time. So yeah, I have to go now. Mr. Daim, don't forget to redeem your medicine at counter after settle the payment. And here is your receipt.
Mr. Nasrul, about the payment, you don't have to worry. We will settle them all. Okay?
Ini sama appreciate you a lot.
No need to sorry. It was all fault. We both were not focusing on driving.
It was my fault too. I really looked around when I wanted across the road because I thought there was no one since the road looked so empty to me.
In our conclusion, I could say it's our fault because we are so careless.
Yeah, let's be more careful next time. And would you go with us, Mr. Nasrul? Because we need you for the payment.
Sure, let's go.
Penbera, Penbiru, Yumara.
I love you, man.